Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA to ship products internationally. Let's do this. If you are following along from my screen, and if you're looking to expand your business beyond the US, Amazon FBA makes it easier than ever with FBA Export. This service allows you to ship your products internationally using your existing FBA inventory in US fulfillment centers. Here's how it works. Customers from around the world can purchase your products on Amazon.com, and Amazon takes care of shipping them to their destination at no extra cost to you. This means you can grow your business globally without worrying about the complexities of international shipping. To enable FBA Export, log into your Seller Central account. Head to your Fulfillment by Amazon settings and then navigate to Export Settings. Click Edit, select FBA Export, and hit Submit. If you decide you don't want to ship internationally, you can easily disable the service by selecting Disabled instead. With FBA Export, you can effortlessly reach customers worldwide, making it a powerful tool for growing your Amazon business. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.